Here's a 2012 INFINITI G37 Coupe. Attacking curves with aggression and precision while remaining poised and compliant, this G37 Coupe provides plenty of driving entertainment. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. External memory control, intelligent key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Road & Track finds the G37's buttons and knobs don't overwhelm as they do in some luxury car offerings and are very straightforward and intuitive in operation. INFINITI functional craftsmanship surrounds you with infinite possibilities. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us today at 888-827-2813.